how are you? Welcome to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, we are going to talk about May 2018 Sephora Playbox. I have it right with me. I just got it, guys. I didn't even open it because I wanted to open it with you guys. If you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a monthly subscription box for $10 and you get 5 samples plus one bonus product. So let's see what I got this month and whether I like it or not. If I give it a thumbs up, I like it. If it is sideways, it's okay. And if it's down, I don't like it. So let's see whether I like it or not. Okay. Figuring out how to open this is a huge deal, guys. Seriously. Do you feel that? Anyways. I love this paper. It tells me how everything works. That's the important part about it. And I like it. They always send you 50 points that you can redeem in store, but this time you can redeem online. That's a good thing. I wish they would make it permanent so that we can redeem more points online. So I don't want to look at this paper right now, but I want to look what's in the bag right now. This is this month's bag. Let's play. Love the bag. And love this small closing lid. I really love the bag, guys. It's different. They are always white with something written on this. It's a nice change to see this blue color. So first product. Ooh. It's a cologne. Clementine, California cologne. Let me open this. For me, cologne is very important, guys. So I can't afford really high-end cologne. So samples from Sephora are a great help for me. So I like samples from Sephora like this. This is a thumbs up for me. So this product is a huge thumbs up for me. Let's see second product. Buxom mascara. Second product is Buxom mascara. Mascara travel size, anything travel size mascara is a huge plus for me. So that is another plus. And one more thing is I have never tried Buxom mascara. So it's a new product for me. So I'm too much excited. Let's see the third product. Whoa. Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. This product has been I've been using it for the last year. It was the last year's birthday gift from Sephora. So I'm not too excited about it because I don't want to use the same product twice. So it's a no for me. Down. 1 down and 2 up. Let's see next product. Kat Von D tattoo liner. This also I have used in the past. So I'm not too excited about this. Down. 2 up and 2 down. Hourglass wheel primer. I got this recently in my Ipsy bag. So I'm not too excited about this. Down. I want to try new products, guys. That's why I pay for subscription boxes. If I'm not getting new products, for me it's a huge down. And the last product is Voe. I think I spelled it right, but wave spray. I never tried this product, so this is definitely exciting for me. So 3 products plus and 3 products down. Overall, I think it's an okay box. I wouldn't give it thumbs up, but I would give it an okay box. I review and you decide whether it's right for you or not. Do you have subscription for Sephora Play? What did you get this month? Share with me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you whether your box was thumbs up or thumbs down or sideways. Please do share with me in the comment section. I will be back with new video next week. Be sure to watch it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.